Introduction. Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how Airbnb hosts can create a warm and inviting space for their guests. If you're an Airbnb host looking to provide an incredible experience for your guests, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. 1. Cleanliness and organization. The first impression is crucial, so ensure that your space is spotless and well organized before guests arrive. Dust, vacuum, and mop all surfaces to create a fresh and clean environment. Remove any clutter and keep the space neat and tidy. 2. Comfortable bedding and amenities. A good night's sleep is essential for any traveler, so invest in high-quality bedding and comfortable mattresses. Provide extra pillows, blankets, and fresh towels for added comfort. Enhance the experience with complimentary toiletries and amenities like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. 3. Personalized touches. Create a warm and welcoming atmosphere by adding personalized touches. Leave a handwritten note for your guests, welcoming them to your home and providing any necessary information. Consider leaving a small welcome basket with snacks, bottled water, and local area guides. 4. Clear communication and accessibility. Prioritize clear communication with your guests from the beginning. Respond promptly to inquiries and provide detailed instructions for check-in and check-out. Make yourself readily available for any questions or concerns your guests may have during their stay. 5. Local tips and recommendations. Be a helpful resource for your guests by providing local tips and recommendations. Create a guidebook or online document with information about nearby attractions, restaurants, and transportation options. Share your personal favorite spots to help guests experience your city like a local. Conclusion. There you have it. By following these tips, Airbnb hosts can create a welcoming space that guests will love. Remember, it's the small details that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.